Are you ready to take your fitness journey to the next level from the comfort of your home? Exercise bikes offer a versatile and effective workout solution for all fitness levels, providing low-impact cardiovascular benefits while fitting seamlessly into any schedule. In this guide, we'll explore the best exercise bikes on the market, highlighting their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out. Whether you're a beginner looking to get active or a seasoned cyclist in search of your next challenge, there's something here for everyone. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website, Consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Marcy Recumbent ME-709, our find for best budget exercise bike. Are you searching for a workout solution that combines comfort and intensity without straining your budget? The Marcy Recumbent ME-709 exercise bike may be just what you need to achieve your fitness goals while enjoying your favorite shows. Designed with a sturdy, step-through structure crafted from heavy-duty 14-gauge steel, this bike allows for easy access, making it perfect for users of all fitness levels. With 8 levels of magnetic resistance, you can effortlessly adjust your workout to suit your needs, whether you prefer a gentle ride or a challenging climb. The ultra-readable LCD screen displays crucial metrics like time, speed, distance, and calories burned, allowing you to track your progress accurately without straining your eyes. Comfort is prioritized with a high-density foam saddle and contoured handles that provide optimal support during longer sessions. The counterbalanced pedals ensure that your feet remain secure, enhancing your overall cycling experience. With the Marcy Recumbent ME-709, you can effectively transform your fitness routine. It's more than just an exercise bike, it's your reliable partner in achieving a healthier lifestyle. Embrace the opportunity to make exercise a seamless part of your daily life and experience how enjoyable a workout can truly be. You'll find that even while you're focused on your favorite series, you can simultaneously work towards melting away those calories and building strength. Number 4. Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike, our find for best portable exercise bike. Are you searching for an effective way to stay active without compromising space in your home? The Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike is designed with your needs in mind, offering a portable and efficient solution to indoor exercise. Equipped with a 12-level magnetic resistance system, this bike allows you to effortlessly adjust the difficulty of your workout, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned cyclists. With its 3-piece high-torque cranking system, you can enjoy a smooth and consistent pedal motion, ensuring a seamless workout experience. The easy-to-read LCD screen, measuring 3.5 inches by 1.5 inches, enables you to track your distance traveled, calories burned, speed, and workout time, keeping you motivated every step of the way. With a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds and a hand pulse monitor, you can feel confident in your device's safety and performance. The adjustable seat is crafted for your comfort, accommodating individuals from 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 1 inch. The large seat cushion features a patented airsoft design, utilizing individual air chambers to provide ventilation and reduce pressure during your workouts. The Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike is not just a fitness tool, it's a commitment to your health, comfort, and convenience, elevating your exercise regimen without the hassle of a full-size stationary bike. Still searching for the perfect exercise bike? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Yosuda Indoor Cycling Bike, our find for best exercise bike with tablet mount. Are you ready to elevate your home fitness routine with the Yosuda Indoor Cycling Bike? Weighing a sturdy 72.75 pounds, this bike is engineered with a 35-pound flywheel that ensures stability during your most intense workouts. The belt-driven system offers a smooth ride, free from noisy distractions, allowing you to focus on your goals without disturbing those around you. Finding the right fit is crucial for your comfort, and the Yosuda bike delivers with a 2-way adjustable non-slip handlebar and a cushioned 4-way padded seat. It accommodates users up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of body types and fitness levels. Tracking your progress is essential, and the built-in LCD monitor does just that. It records time, speed, distance, calories burned, and odometer stats, so you can stay informed about your achievements. The convenient tablet mount allows you to enjoy your favorite shows or playlists, motivating you to pedal towards your fitness aspirations. Safety is paramount. with adjustable cage pedals that provide a secure grip and an easy-access resistance bar for immediate stops. Plus, the included water bottle holder ensures you stay hydrated during your workouts. The Yosuda Indoor Cycling Bike is more than just equipment. It's a partner in your journey towards a healthier lifestyle, designed to help you sweat, smile, and cycle your way to success. Number 2. Bowflex VeloCore, our find for best magnetic exercise bike. Are you searching for a spin bike that effectively combines enjoyment and a compelling workout experience? Look no further than the Bowflex VeloCore, your dedicated fitness companion that can elevate your routine. This bike features a robust 33-pound flywheel and an impressive 100 levels of magnetic resistance, ensuring your workouts are both quiet and challenging. Comfort is essential, and the VeloCore delivers with an adjustable seat and handlebars designed to fit your needs perfectly. The dual-sided pedals accommodate your favorite cycling shoes or casual sneakers, giving you flexibility in your workout attire. Additionally, the low-maintenance belt drive simplifies upkeep, allowing you to focus solely on your fitness journey. What truly sets the VeloCore apart is its unique side-to-side leaning feature. This innovative design not only adds excitement to your ride, but also engages additional muscle groups, helping you burn extra calories while improving your balance. Stay motivated with customizable screen sizes and compatibility with the JRNY app, offering live and on-demand workouts tailored to your preferences. With the Bowflex VeloCore, you can transform your fitness experience into something dynamic and enjoyable. Don't just settle for the ordinary. Embrace a riding experience that keeps you engaged and excited about achieving your fitness goals. Hop on the VeloCore and start your journey towards a healthier you. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Schwinn IC4, our find for best exercise bike overall. Are you searching for a stationary bike that delivers an impactful workout rather than becoming just another piece of furniture? The Schwinn IC4 might be the perfect fit for you. Renowned in the cycling community, Schwinn has crafted this bike to ensure durability and performance. One standout feature is the impressive 100 levels of resistance, allowing you to tailor your workout to your preferences. Whether you're craving a rigorous uphill climb or a leisurely flat ride, the IC4 accommodates all fitness levels. Compatibility with popular cycling apps like Peloton and Zwift means you can seamlessly integrate your workouts with the tech you love most, helping to keep you motivated and engaged. When it comes to comfort, the IC4 offers multi-point adjustments for both the handlebars and the seat, making it easy to find your ideal riding position. The dual-sided pedals are a thoughtful addition, enabling you to use either cycling shoes or enjoy a casual ride in sneakers, depending on your mood. While some users may find the seat a bit firm at first, options like padded shorts or Schwinn's extra-wide seat can enhance comfort significantly. With the right adjustments, you can enjoy longer and more enjoyable rides without discomfort. The Schwinn IC4 is not just a bike. It's your partner in achieving fitness goals and turning workouts into something you look forward to. Get ready to elevate your fitness routine. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which exercise bike you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.